Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to download any video from Instagram to your iPhone. This can be videos posted on the user story, page, Reels, or IGTV. So in order to download these videos, you'll need an app called Repost for Instagram. You can find it on the App Store and it looks like this. Go ahead and download this free app. Once the app downloads, go ahead and open the app. Now you'll come to this screen once you open it. Here it'll show you how to use the app, so have a read. Now to download a video from Instagram, tap on the Instagram app icon at the top right. Now scroll through your Instagram and find the video you want to download. Then tap on the three dots at the top right, or it'll be at the bottom right of the post. Then tap on Copy Link. This will copy it to the clipboard. Now return back to the Repost app for Instagram. This will automatically detect the link and it'll paste it into the app. The app will then start to process the video and will start its downloading. Once you see it in the list, tap on it. Now in this screen, you can tap on the attribution mark to add a watermark, or you can remove it. You can also copy the caption if you want to repost it to your Instagram account. Next, tap on the share icon at the top right, then tap on Save Video. This will save the video into your photo library. Now go into your photo library and you can view your saved video. Now let me show you how to download an Instagram Reel video. Again, open up the Repost app, then tap on the Instagram icon at the top right. Now go to the Reel section and select a reel which you want to download. Now tap on the three dots and then tap on Copy Link. Now return back to the Repost app. The app will automatically detect the link and will start to process the video. Once the video loads up, tap on it and then tap on Share to save the video. And that is how to download Instagram videos to your iPhone. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If this was helpful to you, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.